Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading for July 7th, 2026, Part 1. The theme is Unearth a Story. Dinosaur Days by Joyce, Milton, illustrated by Richard Rowe. There are no dinosaurs today, not even one, but sometimes people find dinosaur bones. The bones are like parts of a puzzle. When they are put together, you can see what a dinosaur looked like. The word dinosaur looks hard, but it is really easy to say. Say dinosaur. Dinosaur means terrible lizard. Millions of years ago, the world belonged to the dinosaurs. In the days of the dinosaurs, there were no people, no dogs or cats, no horses or cows. What animals were there? Turtles, crocodiles, fish, dragonflies. The world was very warm and very wet. One of the very first dinosaurs to live on Earth was named Saltopus. Saltopus lived near a river. The river was full of giant crocodiles. When these giants got hungry, they came after Saltopus. Snap went the giant's jaws. Snap, snap! Then Saltopus stood up on its strong back legs and ran away as fast as it could. Saltopus was fast. It could run and leap. That's how Saltopus got its name. Saltopus means leaping foot. Saltopus was a small dinosaur, about the size of a chicken. Dinosaurs came in many sizes. Some were small like Saltopus, and some were big. And some were very, very big. One of the biggest was Brontosaurus, also known as a Apatosaurus. This dinosaur was as tall as a house, longer than 2 buses, and as heavy as 5 elephants. The name Brontosaurus means thunder lizard. When Brontosaurus went walking, its great big feet made a noise like thunder. Brontosaurus ate plants. Lots of them. Other dinosaurs hunted for meat to eat. One meat eater was named Allosaurus. When a hunter dinosaur came around, what did Brontosaurus do? One thing it could do was hide. Where? Underwater. This dinosaur was fat and slow. It could not run and hide, but it did not need to. Its back was covered with thick plates. Its tail was covered with sharp spikes. Its name was Stegosaurus. That means covered lizard. It was one of the early dinosaurs. Not all kinds of dinosaurs lived at the same time. Early kinds like Brontosaurus died out, and new kinds took their place. Some of the newer dinosaurs looked a little like ducks. They are called duck-billed dinosaurs. This duck-billed dinosaur is called Ankylosaurus. That means duck lizard. Ankylosaurus had lots of teeth, 2,000 of them. It used its teeth to mash up plants. What dinosaur had the biggest teeth of all? Tyrannosaurus rex. Its teeth were as long as pencils and very, very sharp. The word rex means king. This dinosaur was the king of the hunters. What did it hunt? Other dinosaurs. Some dinosaurs had ways to keep safe from Tyrannosaurus rex. This dinosaur had hard plates on its back. The plates were like armor. When danger was near, it just sat tight. The name of this dinosaur is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus also had a strong tail. It could swing its tail like a club. This dinosaur used its sharp horns for fighting. When it came running, everyone got out of the way. Its name is Triceratops. That means 3 horns on the face. There are many things we do not know about the dinosaurs. We think most of them were brown or green, but we don't know for sure. Maybe some were brightly colored. We do know how dinosaurs were born. They hatched from eggs just like baby birds. Some dinosaur eggs were big, bigger than even a football. But some were only the size of a potato. This dinosaur is named Protoceratops. The mother made her nest in the sand. She laid many eggs at one time. Did she sit on the eggs? Probably not. She was too heavy. The eggs might break. When the babies were born, they were very small, much, much smaller than their parents. You could hold a baby Protoceratops in your 2 hands. In the days of the dinosaurs, strange animals lived in the sea. They were real-life sea monsters. Some of these monsters looked like dinosaurs, but they were not dinosaurs. They were plesiosaurs. They had long necks. They reached into the water to catch fish. Other strange animals flew in the air. One of these animals was Pteranodon. Its body was no bigger than a turkey's, but its wings were as wide as the wings of a small plane. Pteranodon flew far out to sea. It rested on the tops of waves. When it took off, it soared on the wind like a glider. The days of the dinosaurs lasted a very long time, millions and millions of years. Then a time came when there were no dinosaurs. What killed them all? Maybe the world got too hot. Maybe the dinosaurs could not find the right food to eat. Maybe other animals ate the dinosaurs' eggs. Some people even think the trouble was caused by a comet that came too near the Earth. No one knows for sure what happened, but in time, new animals took the place of the dinosaurs. Dinosaur days were gone forever. The end. We're going to make some magic color scratch dinosaurs. Your Craft to Go kit includes 2 strings, 2 dinosaurs. Looks like I have maybe a Stegosaurus and a Brontosaurus. I'm not sure. And a scratching tool. And the tool has a flat side and a pokey side. So with the pokey side, you could write your name or do fine detail. And with the scratchy side, you can make wider lines. The first thing I'm going to do, these are so you can hang them up. You don't have to put these on to hang them up. You can just attach them to a corkboard or a wall or something. But I'm going to put on the strings. And you're just going to tie them in like a little square knot. Works better if you have a longer end. I'm having trouble tying this. There we go. And I'll just pull this part. There's one. I'll do the other one right through the hole. Make a square knot. And there's 2. And then I'm just gonna etch lines and stripes and all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna give them an eyeball. I'm giving them an eyebrow too. And a couple nostrils. And a smile. And then I'm just gonna use the flat end to give them some stripes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and keep decorating, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay, there are my dinosaurs. I've got a Brontosaurus with swirlies on it and a Stegosaurus with stripes on it. And that's all there is to it.